If you want to see someone's marketplace on Facebook, this video will walk you through the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you're trying to check listings from a friend, a seller, or just someone whose profile you already know, this quick tutorial will show you how to use Facebook Marketplace the right way. And before we jump in, if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app or go to Facebook in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main Facebook home screen, look for the Marketplace option. On mobile, it usually appears in the bottom menu, and on desktop, it may be in the left-hand sidebar. Click Marketplace to open it. Now that you're inside Marketplace, use the search bar at the top to search for the person's name. Type in the name exactly as it appears on their Facebook profile if possible, because that will help you find the most accurate results. If that person has public listings connected to Marketplace, their items may appear in the results. After searching, carefully check their listings. Look through the seller profiles, item names, photos, and descriptions to see if the account matches the person you're trying to find. Sometimes listings will show the seller's name or profile details, which can help you confirm whether the Marketplace items belong to them. If the items are public, you'll be able to view them right away. If you don't see anything, that could simply mean the person has no active public Marketplace listings, or their privacy settings may limit what you can view. Facebook Marketplace visibility can vary depending on account settings, location, and whether the person has chosen to share their listings publicly. A helpful tip is to also try searching different versions of their name or checking their Facebook profile for Marketplace-related activity. In some cases, people may share items through groups or Marketplace posts that are easier to find through their profile than through a direct search. So to recap, the process is simple. Click Marketplace, search the person's name, and then check their listings carefully. That's the fastest way to see whether someone has active Marketplace items on Facebook. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Facebook tips, app guides, and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.